Hello everybody. I am right now using my cell phone to record this. I have several questions wanting to know if you can use a USB microphone with an iPhone. Don't know if this will work or not. If you're seeing this video, kind of be a spoiler alert because it probably means it works, but I haven't tried it yet. What I've got is a camera adapter for USB. Also has a lightning port so you can drive a microphone with an external battery if necessary. Same thing here, it's a capture card, 3 USB ports. It has a lightning port and an SD card reader and a micro SD card reader. So it's technically for cameras. Let's see if it works on a USB microphone. And just to emphasize the point, I got a little bit further from the camera, so this is kind of the room noise that you're going to get if you can't get really close to the camera. So I'm about 2 arm lengths away from the camera now. Well, I don't know what this sounds like, but the blue light's on and the VU meter on the phone's moving. I am using the small adapter. I will also try this adapter, but I'm thinking with this microphone closer than what the phone was, the phone's at about an arm's length. I could lean over just a tiny bit and touch it, but I'm thinking that this is going to sound better than the audio from the phone. I was waiting on another microphone, but it didn't arrive before I left on vacation, so I'm going to try this one. I've used this one once before. If you're just getting started, you have a phone, you heard the audio from just the phone. I am right now using my cell phone to record this. I have several. And just to emphasize the point, I got a little bit further from the camera. Now you're hearing the audio from this. I'll let you be the judge whether you think this is better or not. I'm going to try the other adapter and see if it also works. I am not using an external power supply to power this. This is being powered by my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let me change adapters. Be right back. All right, I now have the other adapter plugged in. Still not using the power bank. Here's the card that I brought to use. I'm not using that either. If you were wanting to do a prolonged recording, it might be a good idea to plug that in. And just to verify that that actually does work, let me plug in my power bank to that camera adapter and we'll see if this continues to work. All right, now I've got the power bank turned on, and in theory this should run until the power bank runs out. If you're wanting to step up your audio a little bit over what you're going to get with just your phone, this is a real reasonable option. There's a lot of USB microphones on the market. I don't know if this will work with any others. This is the only one I have with me today, but I will try a couple of others, let you know. USB microphone, camera adapter into an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we're on the air. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get to them as quick as I can. If there's anybody still here, I appreciate it. And I'll throw a couple other videos up over here. I'll either catch you in one of those or I'll catch you down the road.